Better watch out, Roger. I'll pull you in.
Don't worry about me.
Tongue wrong. Look over there, say no. Oh, get away. Get away.
It's a big one. Christ, Humphrey brought that duck along with him.
Roger, gotta have that now. Yeah, look at that.
Go say something, Raj.
Like what?
Do you feel bad?
No, not a bit. Just get another one. Oh, yeah.
We'll all have our turn.
Oh.
Wow, look at that tattoo.
No, whack it. My heart. That's the big one too, Roger. Get the camera. Oh.
Another little
I
fella.
got must weigh 40 pounds. Oh, he's fighting.
Give me a hand, John. Probably got bottom. Ah. We lost another one.
See?
Way to go, kid.
He's even up water. Checking on that depth. Yeah, slow down.
Okay, it's John's turn. Show him how to do it, John. Michael, hook him.
Oh, Jesus, you're nothing steady. You see him yet?
Mike's got half the work done.
Is he still on? I don't think so. I think maybe it's a spot on the line. Go for it. Well, we need to turn around and give a big smile.
Lots of tape in it, so go for it.
We have to run around and look at
I didn't hit you. Too much in the corner here.
Does that count as a fish for John?
Sure does.
Yep. Still turning there. Now recording.
That was a hopeful fish. I hope there was one.
Well, Michael, get you one.
Bottom's coming up real fast right here. Like 99 maybe.
There he is, that guy. Good one, John. Here you passing over here.
Knock him up there, Roger. Get on?
Yes, sir.
Might be moving it out of the way.
Oh.
No, I don't think so.
Oh. Get down there, Roger.
He's the big one. Get the
Come
scales,
on,
Roger.
Roger.
Get the net.
Clear face there.
That's it. Roger, here's his friend.
Get.
Whoa!
Oh. Yeah, hold on. buried up underneath here somewhere.
Holy shit, look what Humphrey did. Screwed it up this time.
No, I'll let it all if you want. Just let off.
Fine, Roger, smarten up.
Okay.
Need to guess this just hit your line.
Where's John's ball go?
Yep.
Lights out.
So you wanted my fish too, did you, right?
Give me a hand, John.
Lights out. Hey, what's this small?
Ooh, another nice one.
There you go, John.
That's a small one.
Got him on there? And this little guy.
That's just a small one.
Look at me for a minute. Oh, Roger, it's locked.
No, I'm not going to kiss it.
How do you...
Another big one.
Don't lose this one, Roger.
Roger, look back. Roger, I want to get
Today.
I'll show you how it's
your
done.
red face there. Roger, look back a bit.
Shit, there's another one.
Oh, shit. Here you go.
Stay away from my fish, Humphrey.
Oh, I got Go back there.
That's both up on the same bed. That is too. Yeah, I'll get the one over. You are out there.
Release your pension, maybe.
Oh, God.
Roger?
Yeah,
Release
okay.
your pension a little bit.
Nothing on there?
What happened?
That's a ball.
Did you? Hey, they quite hurt.
How's that case?
You're 10 pounds. Unyielding weight.
Yeah. Well, I felt what it's like now to let go of somebody started building it.
Your fish probably swam over and got off.
Wow, that hurt.
Yeah, not a monster, but...
Oh, right.